Yes, sir.
Kasama ito ang 242 graduates na nag-aral ng iba't ibang kurso sa kanilang STEP program itong nakalipas na Disyembre. At ang mga kursong in-offer sa programa
Ladies and gentlemen, we're interviewing former five-time speaker Jose Di Benicia, a renowned political connoisseur in the Philippines. Sir, my first question, in the book of Bill Highton, South China Sea. Highton, yeah. Bill Highton. Yeah. New book, South China Sea. He said the ICAP Third Congress in Beijing in 2004, he said, we should not allow regional differences. Then DOE Energy Eduardo Manila signed with China joint maritime seismic agreement. In case you became the prime minister during that time, do you think this crisis between China and Philippines would not happen?
Signed already. We already signed an agreement. And we had peace. We had peace. And now we're going to see in the South China Sea for 3 years.
But if you're still with the government now, do you think this brouhaha there in the South China Sea is still happening?
First, we should revive the agreement. Continue with the seismic agreement, preparatory to drilling the hydrocarbons potential area. Then after that, or even before that, we agree on an equitable profit sharing. Philippines, this is your share. China, this is your share. Vietnam, this is your share. Malaysia, you're further away. Brunei, you're further away. This is your share. When everybody agrees together with Taiwan, okay, let's start drilling. During the time for drilling, the Americans, we invite Americans to drill for us. We invite Europeans to drill. Or we can ask China, because they have so many oil rigs, they have some of the largest rigs in Asia and in the world. We'll ask China, you conduct the drilling for us. So aside from your share, in the hydrocarbon, you'll get another special fee for drilling the wells.
It's like
Which we will be paying anyway to the Europeans or to the Americans if they are the ones.
it's like the German-British formula.
Yeah.
Sir, one question. What happened to land oil?
Land oil and basic petroleum. Basic petroleum.
64 days. So,
Were the pioneers in drilling for oil in the South China Sea immediately next to October. So it's not in the Spratlys, in Palawan water. So basic petroleum is still active in that. Land oil is still active because it became moribund about 20 years ago.
Sir, do you plan to revive it, sir?
You can answer this or you cannot answer this. In 2011, former Dagupan City Mayor Benji Lim told me that before the 2007 election between you and him, people from the U.S. Embassy called him at his office, encouraging him to run for Congress and defeat you for the congressional seat. He said the U.S. told him he's afraid that in case you become Speaker and later Prime Minister, you'll be friendly with the Chinese. What's your take on that?
Complete nonsense.
Sir,
The U.S., I have had the U.S. in Vietnam during the war.
yeah, Vietnam War. You were the minister.
I was Minister, Economic Counselor in Vietnam during the war. I've been invited to deliver speeches in Washington, D.C.
Sir, third question. Now that the U.S. and Japan, both first world countries, are siding with the Philippines and assailed China's intrusion of the South China Sea, do you think China would stop their reclamation and possession of islets and reefs at the South China Sea and Scarborough, 100 kilometers of Zambales and Pangasinan?
You know, these mutual incriminations and mutual attacks. Kasi pag-asa ng iyon,
kahit kaya akong bigyan,
It will only stop if there is a call for mutual dialogue.
aking
A,
Do you think we should start it?
a mutual, multilateral or bilateral agreement. And then we put our cards in the table and say, another formula which is very important is, another formula is, we suspend the issue of sovereignty,
Sandali sir, sandali sir.
Is to
Sandali sir, sandali
which I proposed in 1986, 1987.
suspend the issue of sovereignty.
Issue of sovereignty, which was the formula of Deng Xiaoping, the Chinese leader, the prime Chinese leader. In other words, we do not say, I own this, I own this, you own this, I own this, what I own. We just agree, oh, let's bring together these areas and let's partition equitably the profits. Sabi ni Deng Xiaoping, as to who will be the owners or who will be sovereign in these islands, let the future generations decide. Deng Xiaoping is one of the, I think I have three heroes in
1979.
I have three heroes in Asia. Deng Xiaoping, Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore, and Mahathir of Malaysia. And my formula, which was approved by the three nations, is part of the Deng Xiaoping.
Sir, talking about Deng Xiaoping and General Park in South Korea, Duterte said in Dagupan, in case he wins, he will transform the government in a revolutionary or dictatorial government. In case Congress and Supreme Court could not deliver. Lee Kuan Yew, Lee of Taiwan, and General Park of South Korea imposed authoritarianism in the 1960s. Thus, their countries are now first world. Is Duterte planned the right package to salvage this country?
We don't need to go back to dictatorship.
Because ang buhay, the more you help, the more you
Defeat
give,
poverty,
the more you receive.
achieve 7 to 8% economic growth,
What you give to the people,
reconcile Vietnam and China,
karamihan sa mahigit 25,000
the other
ng pag-aral
nations which have conflicting claims.
ay mga naging managers na ngayon sa iba't ibang
We have shown that dictatorship does not work. That's the reason why
nurse.
President Marcos was ousted.
Pero marami ang naging engineer na ngayon ay maginhawa na ang kanilang
What
buhay.
we need now
Di ba tuturuan kayo mag-welding?
clean government,
Pwede pa rin kayo mag-aral, di ba sir?
good governance, strong political leadership, but not dictatorship.
Lamang ito ay
What's your take on Grace Poe overtaking Binay in the latest SWS and Pulse Asia polls? When she becomes president,
All these are the ups and downs of conservative society.
would you support her in case she ran for president?
I congratulate her improvement in the rating, but these are very early days. We're
A lot of things would happen.
1 year away from the election.
Situation still fluid.
Situation is very fluid.
Sir, U.S., what's your take on the U.S. election? Would Hillary Clinton be defeated by Republicans since she carried a lot of issues like Benghazi?
Well, I don't want to interfere in the internal affairs of American politics. You know, she's extremely capable. But so are many capable leaders in the Republican Party, Jeb Bush, Senator Rubio, etc.
How about Donald Trump?
Donald Trump is a colorful personality and a rich man in America. So, all of them have their pluses and their minuses. So at the end of the day, the political parties and the citizens of America will make their own decisions.
ng kahit anong
Now you hear, ladies and gentlemen, the renowned 5-time Speaker of the House of Representatives, Speaker John D. Vinicio. We're going to put this on YouTube, Q&A, because a lot of Filipinos are not so they're not so familiar about this.
Dahil sa bala.